Sarah, I like this. You're V'd up here. Yes, and then when you're here, you can relax for a bit. And then V up again. And then relax. And then V up. Relax. And then V up.
Alright, I want to try something.
You having fun? She likes it. That's all that matters. If the flyers having fun, you're doing your job. Okay, let's break it down. Back plank. Okay. Low back plank. You move it in. Slide your fingers inside, underneath. Scoot, scoot, scoot them out. Okay. Find those butt bones right on my palm. Butt bones. Okay. Bring your feet underneath her knees and on her upper back. Boom. Okay. Fingers again always towards you. Grab. Switch. Grab. I mean, it's self-explanatory. I'm going to try to show you the little things that make it easy for me. Is the flyer critical? The whole thing is about pacing today. You pace a lot in this move because you can spin longer if you're not tight all the time. Of course, it's best to stay tight. That'd be great for the base. But if you want to learn how to rest, you stay tight when it's on the hand. Stay tight. You should actually V up. It makes it easier. V up. Then you can relax for a second. Then tight again. Here. And then relax. And then tight. V up. It's hard. Then you can relax. And then tight. Together. V up together. There you go. And relax. You don't have to V up that high, but the idea is to stay tight when you're on the hands. Yeah. Stay tight because there's only one point of contact. Hands. Tight. And watch my feet. I actually don't have just one point of contact. I always have two at least. Right. Here, I walk, I walk. Here, I walk, I walk. Here, I walk. Then I take my foot off, I walk. It gives you one, more balance, and two, more spin tension. No. Okay.
Very particular.
Okay, points. Again, flyer. If you can do this all the time, I mean, actually, if you can do this the whole time, that'd be sweet. This is super hard to hold for like 30 seconds. So go V, like just a slight V, then relax into the feet. And the hands, V up, relax into the feet. Okay? So that's for the flyers. Bases. One more time. Okay. One. Catch. 1 point. I never leave. Walk. I walk.
Does anybody have a Band-Aid?
Turn the hands again. Facing you. Okay?
It's not.
Actually, this one's facing out. Walk. Thumbs here. Hands up. I walk. I walk.
Like 10 minutes ago.
Hands forward. Thumbs in. Splay it out like this. I walk. I walk. Thumbs, fingers out, thumbs forward. Okay? I walk. I walk. Her butt bone's right there. It's right on my palm. Right there. Like that. Okay? Butt bone right there. Palm. Bam. Right there. Okay? These guys. Butt bone right on the palm. Solid. Walk. Walk. Okay? From here. From not throwing, walk over to tabletop like this. Should bring your knees in. Thank you. So tabletop, you can do that, and then push her up to high table, okay?
Yes. And then you're going to round your foot.
Just as a variation.
Right. And then you're going to do the same.
She can also V out. Nice wide V. She can grab her feet.
Back it around.
Okay, a little more. And we'll come down.